Today, I'll walk you through how to create a graph from a Notion database, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to visualize your data effectively so you can make informed decisions with ease. Let's dive right in. First, open your Notion page and locate the database from which you want to create a chart. This is like finding the right book on a shelf. You need to know where to look. Once you have your database open, take a moment to familiarize yourself with its layout. Next, look for the plus sign located on the side of the title. Click on that plus sign. This action is similar to adding a new chapter to your book. It opens up new possibilities for your data. Now you'll see a menu appear. From this menu, click on the option labeled Chart. This step is crucial as it sets the foundation for your visualization. Think of it as selecting the type of graph you want to create, whether it's a bar graph or a line chart. This choice will shape how your data is presented. Once you've selected the chart option, it's time to choose what data you want to display on your chart. Click on the relevant data points that you wish to visualize. This is akin to picking the key themes from your book to highlight. You want to ensure that the most important information stands out. After selecting your data, you can modify the chart to better suit your preferences. You can change what items are displayed on the axis and make other adjustments based on your needs. This customization is like editing your manuscript. It helps clarify your message and makes your data more impactful. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different from what I'm describing. Notion updates frequently, and it's totally normal if this takes a moment. To recap, we started by locating our database, clicked the plus sign to add a new chart, selected our desired chart type, chose the data to display, and finally customized our chart to fit our needs. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.